Success is the leader with vision and skills. However, no success can be achieved without a great effort. Good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to the first All Nepal Optometry Conference, Kathmandu, Nepal. So, before proceeding with the scientific session, I would like to make a small announcement. The low vision workshop that's going to happen in the Hall C will happen at 2:45 instead of 3:15. So those who are attending the workshop, kindly proceed to the Hall C at 2:45. It is now my great pleasure to invite our guest of honor, Dr. John Robert Phillips. Dr. John Phillips is the principal investigator of Myopia Laboratory and senior lecturer in the School of Optometry and Vision Science at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. His research interests include clinical studies aimed at showing the progression of myopia in children, investigating the role of the choroid in ocular diseases, and studies of refractive development in variety of animal models of myopia. Dr. John, please come to the stage and say a few words on myopia control in 2018.
Namaste. Good evening. Good afternoon. It's a real pleasure to be here. This is my first visit to Nepal, and it's a real pleasure to be invited to speak at your first All Nepal Optometry Conference. Now, there's something really special about the first of everything. So you tend to remember, if you have children, you tend to remember your first child, for example. I have 3. But they're special, but of course they're not the only ones. So this is the first one. You'll have a second and a third and a fourth. And I hope the future ones are as well attended as this one. This is very impressive, and it's a real honor to be here. Thank you. Could we put the slide up, please? One thing I do want to say, and that is that as clinical optometrists, we need to make sure that our practice is informed by evidence. And so that's really the kind of point of having these scientific sessions, is to make sure that when we say something, there is some evidence to back it up. When we do something in clinical practice, there is some evidence for what we do. Do you think it's going to be a long time?